How to manage homepage on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage homepage on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and now click these 3 points here and then click settings and go down. And now you will find this one here, homepage. Just click on it, and if you want to turn it off, just click here, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click, and you can add a web address here if you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.